Hey guys, it's Wednesday, February 28th. Hope everybody's doing good. Having a good trading week so far. Had some movement overnight and today. The pound dollar still is not going anywhere. You can still kind of see it's trading in that range. It's still in a sell for right now, so there's nothing to do on the pound dollar. Aussie dollar as a 1 hour buy signal, but I think we're getting close to a yearly pivot. About 160 away from where it's trading right now, so that could be where that's heading. Plus we had the news, Australia last night, it sold off. With that, this is called a flush down. This is going to be retraced. It's going to get filled in at some point. Not today, and probably not tonight. Okay. But I'm expecting that to get filled in at some point. There is a 1 hour buy on it right now, pound CAD. There is a 1 hour sell on it after it's made its big move up. So I got stopped out of the pound CAD right here when it took out that low, because I had the low right there and it took it out. Of course it's gone higher, but I was in way back over here. So pound yen is still in a 1 hour sell, nothing to do on it. Euro New Zealand is in a 1 hour sell now. That's looking pretty good for a sell opportunity. Pound New Zealand probably is too. Yep, same thing. So both of those got the same picture. I wouldn't take both. One or the other is one you need to do, not both. New Zealand yen's made a 1 hour buy signal. That looks pretty good right there for a buy. This is your stop right here. This is one I am in long on right now. Actually a little bit ago, but 35 minutes ago I think it was, 40 minutes, got in long on the New Zealand yen. That's the stop right there. Euro Australia's made a 1 hour sell signal. Euro CAD's made a 1 hour sell signal. So we got some opportunities coming up. Pound odd has made a 1 hour sell signal, and CAD yen's got a 1 hour buy signal. Now this kind of ran away. I'm looking forward to pulling here, and then I'm going to go long on the CAD yen when it gets somewhere down in here, with that being the stop. Euro yen is still in a 1 hour sell, so there's nothing to do on it. The odd yen has made a 1 hour buy. I don't think that's done just yet, but it's getting close to a buy on the odd yen. Yeah, right there. So all of this is for education purposes only. Trade at your own risk. You know the drill on that. If you have any questions or comments, go to my video. Underneath the video there's a comment section, and you're welcome to ask a question. Put a comment in there, and if you do ask a question, I'll get back to it pretty quickly most of the time, unless you're overseas and doing it. Then because of the time zone difference, will be a little bit longer, but it will get to you. For those of you who don't know, if you're new here, I do swing trading on the Forex currencies. Don't do day trading, even though there sometimes is a trade during my session, which is New York. So I'll have another video tomorrow. I am looking at going back live streaming. I am getting some response back on that. Of course, it would be during the New York session though. But I need a little bit more response from you guys, and then I would be interested in doing that again. I did it for about a month and had nobody come in, and that was after paying for marketing, putting it out there to get people in. So I said, I'm not going to do that no more. I'm not going to spend no more money. I'm going to do it for free, get people to come in, see what happens. So I'm looking at what I say, the New Zealand yen long, and Aussie yen's getting close, CAD yen is getting close, and the Aussie dollar is close. All of those are close to buys. The sales are Euro Aussie, Pound New Zealand, Euro New Zealand, Euro CAD, Pound Odd. All those are sell opportunities. Those are the stops right there. Pound CAD is looking pretty strong though. Let's see. It could go up a little bit more, about another 50, 60 pips from where it's at right now. So that might not be a great sell, but it is a low risk trade. That's the stop. If you got in now, you'd be risking 18, 47, 18, 10, 8, $11. You'd have an $11 risk right now. And that is a yearly pivot, which I had talked to y'all about on the Euro CAD. When it was down here. See, we were way down here. And I was expecting it to come up. It hit it. Actually closed above it. Then it sold off, and we came back up to it again. We closed above it. Came back down, retested it, and gone higher. That yearly pivot is major. Any of the yearly pivots are of great importance. A lot more importance than the daily and the weekly and the monthly. So I think the pound dollar had nothing. It was in a sell, but there's nothing to do on it. It's too far away. The risk is too great. I mean, you could get in now if you wanted, but this would have to be your stop up here. 126.90. It's about a 40 something pip stop. That's too great for me. So I don't take those. It's got to be 30 or less, and I like less. So I hope everybody has a good night. There is news tomorrow here in the U.S. In the morning at 8:30 Eastern Time, New York time. There is news. So just be aware of that. Anything tied to the U.S. So I'll be back with a video tomorrow.